Hello everyone, myself Pooja Salvi. Today I am going to take lecture for the 10th standard. In that I am going to take subject algebra, that is maths 1. So let's start with the first lesson, that is linear equation in a two variables. In that I am going to cover the topic Cramer's rule. Okay students, so before starting with the Cramer's rule, let's learn the important term which is very useful in a Cramer's, that is determinant. So how determinants look? We represent determinants like two standing line, and in between there are four numbers which I am representing now by two columns and two rows. Okay. So if I have to solve, we have to cross multiply like this. So a by multiply by d. Please student remember, some student do mistake that they, well, it is not so big case, but remember rules are rules. You have to multiply a by d, not d by a. Sometime you will get confused because of that thing. And b by c. And most important, with multiplying these, while multiplying these things, you have to keep remember that minus term should be in between them. This is a basically rule for solving the determinant. Let's do one example. You will get clear to it. That is 5739. Randomly I taken any number. So according to our rule, one more thing I have to tell you. Determinants are represented by some letter. And it should be a capital. So now I am taking as a A. A is equal to determinant of 5379. Okay. So let's solve it according to this rule. In this we have multiply A by D, that is 5 by 9. And most important, minus term. And next 7 by 3 by 7, that is B by C. We will solve it. 5 9s are, that is 45, and minus 3 7s are 21. 45 minus 21, it will come 24. This you have learned how to solve the determinant. Okay. So now we will start with the practice set 1.3. In that we will solve question number 1. This is given that solve the determinant. So as you remember the rule, we will multiply this by this and this by this. So 3 multiply by 5. 3 is already given. We will write 5. 2 into 4. 2 is not given. 4 is given. And remember our main concept, that is minus. So many students do mistake in a board that they keep plus sign here. 3 5s are 15. 2 4s are 8. They have given. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Find the value of determinant. Question number 2. So in that first question we will solve, as we know determinant to solve, minus 1. Remember, अगर minus 1 है तो you will put bracket, okay, into 4. Okay, this part we have done. Again minus according to rule, then we will do this part 7 into 2. 7 into 2. So minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Minus 7 2s are 40. Minus minus, we will do operation addition, that is 80. Bigger number sign is minus, so in answer you will continue with the minus sign. Okay, now we will start with the question number 2. Same method. 5 into 0 minus sign, 3 into minus 7. 5 zeros are 0 minus 3 7s are 21. Now you see, can you see the minus sign is there? So minus minus will become plus. So 0 plus 21, and you will get answer of 21. Start with the question number 3. So same method. So don't afraid, मतलब बड़े बड़े numbers ऐसा अपॉन में numbers देख के डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है उसमें. So let's start with this part. This whole part we will multiply with this part. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus, put bracket if you want. Okay, next this part पाई अपॉन 3 इंटू 3/2। जैसा आपको पता है माइनस हम लोग सामने सामने मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो वी विल डू अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। 7 इंटू 1 7, 3 2 ज़ा 6 माइनस 5 3 ज़ा 15, 3 2 ज़ा 6। अभी आपको पता है कोई भी चीज़ माइनस प्लस करनी है तो उसके नीचे का जो डिनोमिनेटर है इट शुड बी अ सेम। सो नाउ वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, वी हैव सेम डिनोमिनेटर, वी विल राइट वंस and we will put like this 7 minus 15 and we got the answer. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 upon 6. It will cancel with the 2, 2 4s are 2 3s are, and we got the answer minus 4 upon 3. Now we will start with the Cramer's rule, which is also called determinant method. As usual we know that linear equation is no, we write the journal form is ax by plus c. सेम यहाँ पे भी होता है, बस खाली क्या है ये c का प्लेस वहाँ पे होता है जहाँ पे 0 है, और यहाँ पे हमको 2 इक्वेशन मिलता है इसके लिए। दैट्स वाई वी राइट a1 b1 c1 दैट इज़ फॉर इक्वेशन 1 एंड a2 b2 c2 दैट इज़ फॉर इक्वेशन 2। x का कोएफिशिएंट a1, x का कोएफिशिएंट a2, y का कोएफिशिएंट b1, y का कोएफिशिएंट b2 एंड c इटसेल्फ। तो यहाँ पे a b c जो रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा आपका नंबर्स रहेगा। ओके, बाय यूजिंग क्रैमर्स रूल यू विल फाइंड आउट द x एंड y। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट d in that the which numbers you will use a1 a2 that is coefficient of x and y, b1 b2 that is coefficient of y. Okay, now next dx. In this x part you will not use, now you will start from here c1 c2 b1 b2, and in dy you will not use y term, you will start with the a1 a2 c1 c2. okay, एज यूजल यू फाइंड द, जैसे आपको ये ए डी का सोल्यूशन डी एक्स ये डिटर्मिनेंट्स का सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा, उनके आंसर्स आपको ये फॉर्मूले में पुट करने, दैट इज एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी एक्स अपॉन डी। तो डी एक्स का जो वैल्यू आया रहेगा वो पुट करना और डी उसके नीचे उस डी का आंसर। सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई। इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड वाई you will put dy's value and find the d's value, and you will substitute the answers and you will find the answer. After learning Cramer's rules, all rules and regulation, we'll continue with our 1.3 question number 3. This one is a question. They have given you two equations, which I given the number 1 and 2. अगर आपको याद होगा तो मैंने आपको रूल्स और रेगुलेशन में दो चीज़ें पढ़ाई थी। ए1 से a1 b1 c1, सेकेंड इक्वेशन से a2 b2 c2 कैसे निकालना है। तो वही x के कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएंगे आपके a1 a2, y के कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएंगे आपके b1 और b2, और c itself a number. okay, now let me clear you. These are the our a1 and a2, 3 and 4, and y का कोएफिशिएंट if it is minus we have to consider minus because रूल्स के हिसाब से वहाँ पे प्लस है, तो अगर यहाँ पे माइनस मेंशन किया है तो आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है -4। ये आपका 3, ये आपका c1 c2। okay, now I will write all the formulas.
Okay, now we will substitute the values. What is our a1? 3. What is our a2? 4. What is our b1? -4. And what is our b2? That is 3.
Now it will become determinant. इसके लिए मैंने आपको बोला था कि इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म है डिटरमिनेंट, क्योंकि आपको ये पूरे जगह पे वही सब सॉल्व करने के लिए आएगा। ओके, सो नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस डिटरमिनेंट। 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. जस्ट बी केयरफुल, अगर एक भी माइनस प्लस का मिस्टेक इट विल लूज, you will lose your marks, I'm telling you. 3 3s are 9, minus will come as it is. Now don't consider these minus and these minus, it is different one. Now it is your multiplication part, ये आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन का पार्ट है, तो आप इसको पहले एक जगह कैरी फॉरवर्ड करो. माइनस 4 into 4 it will 16 and 1 minus sign, that's mean it will come 9. Now you know if two signs are together only one we can write, that is minus minus plus, and you got the answer 25. Okay, now you got D as a 25. Okay, now we will write the formula for the dx.
C1, C2, V1, V2. अब सब. Okay, now you substitute the values.
10, 5, minus 4 and 3. Okay, from here we are writing the values. That's why I said write like this format, you will get everything very simply. 10 into 3 minus, this minus is different, please see to it. So I have multiplied 10 3s are 30. Now this minus will come as it is, 4 5s are 20 and 1 minus sign, that's mean it will carry. Now you see 30 minus minus plus 50. Okay, so dx we got 50. Now next we will find dy. Now we will substitute the value 3, 4, 10, 5. 3 5s are minus 10 into 5. 10 5 4s are, sorry, this is 10 4s are. Okay, three 5s are 15, 10 4s are 40. Now you see small number is subtracting from bigger number, so it will come minus 25. Now we will find, you got dy as a minus 25. Okay, we have to write by Cramer's rule. X का formula क्या है, dx upon d. Y formula is dy upon d. dx value, that is 50. Divide by what we got, d's value, it is 25. So 50 and 25 if we divide, it will come 2. And dy value we got minus 25, and here we got 25. This will become as a minus 1. So at the end we will write our conclusion.
That is therefore x comma y, what is x? 2 comma minus 1 is the solution.
Now we will go for second one. As you can see the equation, question number 2. In this both the equation there is something is not like that. This is our Cramer's rule equation, but it is not like that. So what we will do, we will write equation in this form. Okay, now see the first equation, 4x plus 3y, that's mean minus 4 we have to shift there. Since it is minus 4, if it will go to opposite to equal, it will become plus. रिमेंबर मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे, ये माइनस 4 को मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया. ओके, यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे 8 अपने प्लेस पे ही है, c मतलब अपने प्लेस पे, ये y का जो टर्म है वो हमको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा इज इक्वल टू के. So 6x minus, sorry, it will become plus, since this is minus 5 there, so it will become plus, and you got the equation 2 also. Okay, now we will find out the values from these equation. We get a1 is our 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 8. Okay, now we will substitute the values a1 and a2, that is 4, 6, and your b1 3, 5. As usual, we will multiply 4 5s are minus 3 6 are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. You got the answer 2. Okay. Now we will continue to the dx. Substitute the value c1 c2, that is 4 8, b1 b2, that is 3 5. Okay, 4 5s are 3 8s are 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 3 8s are 24. I subtracted, since small number is subtracting for bigger number, it will come minus 4. Another dy also I substituted the value 4 6 4 8, and then 4 8s are 32, 4 6s are 24, 8. Okay, now you got all the value. Now we will substitute x and y. Okay, dx is your minus 4, d is your 2. You will get answer 2 2s are 4, minus will carry y. dy is your 8, d is your 2. You got the answer 4. Okay, now we will write the solution. Therefore xy is your minus 2 comma 4. Now your third sum, I given this equation 1 2, I written from this equation we get a1. What is your a1? Coefficient of x. See, if there is nothing in front of x, that's mean it is 1. Okay, so your a1 will be 1, your a2, that is 2,
Your b1 is 2. Your b2 is minus 3. Okay, see the minus sign. c1 is minus 1, 12. Okay.
I already written this format so that it will not waste your time, and we will continue the things. a1 is your, substitute the value. Okay, 1 2 2 minus 3. Do the further part. 1 into 3, 2 2, 1 into 3 किया तो minus 3 minus. See, this minus is the different one, and this minus is compulsory minus. 2 2s are 4. Okay, minus minus plus, so you will add this, but see the bigger number sign, it will come minus. dx, dx means c1 c2 and b1 b2, this part. Minus 1 12, 2 minus 3. So see, minus 1 into minus 3, and real one minus 2 into 12. Minus 1 into 3 किया, minus minus will become plus. 1 into 3 3, minus sign will come forward. 2 12s are 24. What answer you got? See, small number minus big number, you will get minus 21. Next, a1 a2 c1 c2. So a1 is your 1 2, c1 is your minus 1 12. 1 into 12 minus 1 into 2, this part. So 12 minus, this minus is already carried. 1 2s are 2. So 12 minus minus plus, it will become 14. Okay, now by Cramer's rule, all the values you got, d, dx, dy, now we will substitute in a Cramer's rule. X, so what dx you got? Minus 21. D, is your minus 7. So minus minus sign will cancel each other. 21 upon 7. You will divide this, you will get 3. Now next dy is your 14. This is your minus 7. So if you will divide this, you will get 2. Since minus sign is there, it will carry it forward. Now you will substitute the conclude your answer. Okay, 3 comma minus 2 is this solution. Fourth one is also very similar to third one. It is very easy. Then also I will do for you. Okay,
We will write all the values, that is 6, 8. अगर आप इक्वेशन ढंग से लिखते तो आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. यहाँ पे -4, -3. Here you got -12, -2. In this
you will get some difficulty due to minus sign. So be careful with this part. Okay, 6, 8, A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, 6, 8, -4, -3. 6 3s are, see careful with the minus sign, huh? -4 into 8. 6 3s are 18, but minus 18. Minus 4 8s are 32, but minus sign will carry. Minus 18 minus minus will become plus 32. See, minus plus minus, you will get answer 14. And since bigger number sign is plus, you will add write like this, plus 1. Now dx value we will substitute now. See, dx is -12 -2 -4 -3. Be careful here, minus sign is there, that's why I am keeping bigger bracket. That is, so bracket -12 into -3, bracket close, minus the main minus, again the bracket -4 into -2, the bracket close. Now minus minus definitely will become plus, and 12 3s is 36, minus 4 2s are 8, minus minus will become plus. You will get the answer minus, that is 28. Okay, now you will substitute this part. A1 AC, that is 6, 8, -12 and -2. Now I will solve this. 6 2s are, that is 6 minus 2, main minus -12 into 8. 6 2s are 12, -12 हो जाएगा, minus 12 8s are 96, but minus sign is alone, so you will carry. So -12 minus minus will become plus 96. So you will get 84, and bigger number sign is plus, that's why you will get plus 84.
by Krammer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. dx you got 28, d is your 14. Now you will solve this, you will get 2. Then dy is your 84 and d is your 14. You will get 6. Now you got your x.
So this is your solution. Now see the question number 5. In this, normal equations are there. Something is different, that is your m and n in place of x and y. So nothing to worry. इसमें कुछ ऐसा टेंशन नहीं है. नॉर्मल हम लोग जैसे सॉल्व करते हैं वैसे करेंगे. इक्वेशन 1 and 2, जो m का कोएफिशिएंट है वो x के कोएफिशिएंट का काम करेगा. दैट इज a1 a2 यू विल गेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ m. सो 4 and 3. n का कोएफिशिएंट है वो y के कोएफिशिएंट की तरह काम करेगा, और यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा b1 b2, एंड दिस इज योर c1 c2. 54 and 28. Now we will find out d. d is very simple. 4 3 6 2. 4 2s are main minus 6 into 3. 8 6 3s are 18. Smaller number subtracting from bigger number, so it will become -10. Now dx, See, there you are mistaken. You will not write dx. You will write dm. Why? जहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट जहाँ पे वेरिएबल x था वहाँ पे हमने x लिखा. अभी यहाँ पे वेरिएबल m है, तो आप लोग m और n फाइंड आउट करने वाले. इसके लिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? dm. अगर सपोज a और b होता तो dA, dB, whatever they have given the variables according to it will change. Okay, the formula will be same as it is. C1, C2, B1, B2. C1, C2 is your 54, 28, and it is 6 and 2. Now you will multiply 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. If you multiply this, you will get 108, and if you multiply this, you will get 168. After subtracting, you will get answer minus 60. Okay, because smaller number is subtracting from bigger number. Now you tell me it will come? dn. So tell me the formula. Same formula, nothing is changed. You will substitute the value. 4, 3 and 54, 28. So 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. If you will multiply this, you will get 112, minus if you will multiply this, you will get 162, and the answer you got minus 50. So I have written by Cramer's rule m. Remember, we have to find m. M is equal to dm upon d. What dm you got? Minus 60. What d you got? Minus 10. So if you will divide, minus minus will cancel each other, and if you divide, you will get 6. dn upon d is equal to minus 50 upon 10. Minus minus will cancel each other. You will get answer 5. We will write the solution. X you got 6 and y you got 5. The question number 6. Equation 1 is nothing. Equation 1 is normal as we want. But see the equation number 2. It is something different or make complicated. So what we will do? First we will write. Just to make your sum easy, I will give it 1. इसको सॉल्व करने के बहुत तरीके, आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, बट I can see the 2 is dividing on the both sides. So what I will do? Multiplying what I will get? 2 into x minus 2 into y upon 2 is equal to 2 into 1 upon 2. It will multiply, give 2x. Then it will cancel each other, uy, and it will cancel each other, give you 1. This will be your equation 3. So you have to work with the equation 3 and 1. And by using these two equations, we will write our a1, a2 and all, everything. Okay, so I will write like this. First you write your all a1 wala part. Okay, so a1 is your 2, b1 is your 3, c1 is your 2. Now you will write your a2 and other part. This is your 2 minus 1. Okay, now इसके बाद आपको जैसे नॉर्मल सिखाया वैसे ही सॉल्व करना है. So I will write the formulas and all. So here we go. So we will substitute the value 2. This will be your 3 minus 1. 2 into minus 1, 3 minus main minus 3 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 6, minus minus will become plus and minus. Dx we will find out. What is your dx? C1, C2, that is 2, 1, and your B1, B2 is 3, minus 1, 2 into 1, main minus 3 into 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 2, and the main minus 3, it will become minus 5. Now we will find dy. For this you want a1, that is 2, 2, and c1, that is 2, 1. 2 ones are minus 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, minus 4. You will get answer minus 2. Using Cramer's rule, I have written what was our dx, that is minus 5, and what was our d, that is minus 8. Minus minus will cancel each other, and you will get answer is 5 upon 8 only. See, sometimes it's happened, it will not cancel with each other. Okay, dy we got 2 and dx we got minus 8. Sorry, minus 2 and minus 8. So you will get minus will cancel each other, and it will cancel each other. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are. So here you got 1 upon 4. I have written. Okay, thank you. Here we are completed our 1.3, and please subscribe my channel for more videos related to